Welcome to one of the craziest car events in the world. Today, we have a Tug of War series featuring the Lego cars. Whether which car will win. Round 1. Rolling car versus tall-wheeled car. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. The winner is rolling car. Round 2. Big wheeled car versus unwheeled car. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. The winner is big wheeled car. Round 3. Sail car versus race car. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. The winner is race car. Round 4. Basic car versus climbing car. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Come on.
The winner is climbing car. It may be a foregone conclusion. What happens in the first tug of war? But what will happen when we test on new terrain? There's only one way to find out. Let's tug. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. The winner is big wheeled car. Round 2. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Give it your best shot.
The winner is race car. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. This is a tug of war contest between two cars. Whoever loses will fly into the deep abyss. Also, the loser car can fall into the swimming pool. Who will win? Let's find out.
Come on, you can do it!